Curtis, look what just showed up.
What's all this?
It's the paint for the next SEMA build from Transtar.
So I guess last year's SEMA build was so popular they want us to do it again, huh?
That's the plan. I got the perfect build for this.
What do you have to build?
A 69 C10 pickup.
Well, did you already find one?
I picked one up this weekend.
What's up, dude? Nice
What's
to
going on,
meet you.
man?
Dylan.
Jason, nice to meet you.
So here she is.
All right, let's check it out and see what we got.
So I've had it for about 5 or 6 years now. I got it from my old boss's brother-in-law. He used it as a work truck, and he used it as a work truck for quite a while, probably 10, 15 years. But he ended up getting something newer and just left this to sit, and I eventually bought it from him.
Okay.
I had plans to make it to get it all done straight and make it into a nice truck, but you know how time gets away from you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it seems like it goes quick.
Which time's definitely got away from this thing quite a bit.
It's definitely gonna need some sheet metal, that's for sure. Ooh, buddy.
Yeah, you can tell the previous owner was a cabinet maker. He got a whole center console made out of wood and all that.
Got an 80s wood console in there.
It's
vintage. Got some homemade AC or something going on there. I've never seen vents like that.
It's vintage, man.
Shoot, the seats got
I guess the
2x4s holding the seats in. I love the wood door panel. That's definitely custom.
Make sure it's not any
definitely needs a door,
here.
a rocker, snake pop out. Big old black snake. Okay, well it's got a small block 350 in it.
And it's supposed to at least be mildly built with a cam. Just hopped up, and I guess normally this would come with a turbo 350, at least has a turbo 400 in it now.
Okay. Well shoot, we'll get it back to the shop and see if, what do you think the chances of that turning over are?
I don't know, man.
I mean, it does have the air filter on it, so in theory.
Yeah.
I mean, the hood's on it, shouldn't have got any water in the motor.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Get it to the shop, put some gas in that thing.
You never know.
Looks like it might need a hood. Definitely a fender.
And windshield.
Windshield, door.
Hey, but it's got a good roof.
It's got a roof. It's got a roof on it. At least we're starting with one piece.
Yep.
What do you want for it?
So I originally was asking $1,000. I mean, it's got a clean frame, it's got a clean title. It does need a lot of work, but these are getting to be desirable trucks, very desirable trucks.
Yeah.
But I do know it's rough.
I mean, will you do 300?
I'd come down to 5. I do know it needs some work.
Will you do 400?
Yeah, I could probably do that, I guess.
Okay. I mean, I can do 400 cash today.
Okay. That works for me.
Let's see. Should be 400. Just check that, make sure that's
Yeah.
right.
Definitely got to count twice.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, yeah, we'll pull her out of here and try to revive her. We'll shoot you some. I got your number. I'll shoot you some photos once we get it together.
Yeah, because I definitely want to see it all done up right. Because this is definitely more work than I was ever going to be able to do.
Well, we got 152 days to build it, so clock starts now.
Y'all going to be working around the clock.
Cool, man. I appreciate the help.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Thank you. All right. Well, we got the start of the build now. 152 days to go. We'll reach out to AMD, see if we can get some sheet metal. We're gonna need a lot of it.
Probably all of it.
But we at least got a good start.
There you go.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I must have not sent myself, I thought I sent myself an email. But I'll send you some photos of what it should look like. Hopefully the bed don't blow off on the way. It looks like it's barely on there.
You get all the squirrels out of it?
We hope the rats and the snakes are out of that thing. Got a phone call from a buddy. I was looking for a pickup truck. He said he found somebody that had one. He didn't know what it looked like. He said I could go check it out. So I called the dude and he told us to go over there and see what it was.
Right, here it is right here.
We figured, you know, we taking that to the scrapyard. I was like, no, that's the SEMA truck. He didn't believe me.
Oh, this is a beaut. This door doesn't work. Does it honestly?
So when Bruce saw it, he said we were all fired.
I'm serious.
Then we did a $100 bet that it wouldn't run, and we drove it in the building. Paid $400 for the truck and $100 to tow it here. So we got $500 and we got us a truck.
Hey, hey, come here and get a look at this. Come over here. Look at this wood. Look at this console and this woodwork, baby, and these door panels. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Look at this. You already seen this, I'm assuming. Yeah. You seen this? Oh, no. Look at the console. Jump in there.
It's craftsmanship.
How about that, baby?
That B&M shifter.
Open that door over there. Open that door. So realistically, what are we going to try to salvage off this puppy? Be real. Be serious.
The
Title. Paper don't rust, man. I say paper's good, man. Paper don't rust. So what else?
The hood.
The hood? Seriously?
No.
No, man, not either, man.
I think the rest of the stuff we just call AMD and let them send us a truck.
I'm serious.
We'll use the roof, all right? All right, we can use the roof.
Well, you got two big old.
Can't believe this thing turns over. It might start. All right. Wonder if it flooded it. Go ahead. Truck starts and runs after 7 years of sitting in the weeds. We decided instead of unbolting the bed, we would just rip it off with the forklift. It was a little funner than using the torch. Not that bad. It does run. Needs very few pieces of sheet metal, like all of it, and we can call AMD to get it.
Yeah, this will buff out.